If you are having Roblox 429 error while authentication, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. The first thing you should do is wait for a couple hours because this might be a glitch in the system itself. But even after waiting for a couple hours, if it's not working, then follow these steps. Come below at the search bar of the PC, type in View Network Connection. Click on Open here and double click onto the Wi-Fi that you are using. Click on Properties. Here locate IPv4. That says Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Click on Properties. In here, select Use the following DNS server addresses. And make sure under Preferred DNS server it is 8888. Under Alternative DNS server it's 8844. Once done, click OK. You may go ahead and close this. Now restart your device and then launch your Roblox again. And then get logged into your Roblox account via a web browser, or you can also use an app, and this shall work.